Sabine here with another tip to improve your home and your life. Creating energy efficiency in your home really starts with the little things you can do yourself. Take a look at your exterior walls and especially those outlets in those exterior walls. When you pull off the cover, do they look like this with big gaps around them? When the cold comes in, it comes in right here. So pick up some simple foam gaskets, pop out the center, and literally install it right around the outlet. And then simply reinstall the top plate over it and you're done. It's that simple.